What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month selling on Poshmark on eBay, selling common mall brands. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. We've all heard, can you sell mall brands and they don't sell for as much, but a lot of people only have access to mall brands. So I am going to show you how you guys can sell $10,000 a month strictly selling common mall type brands. You don't have to have access to all these BOLO brands. You can sell mall brands and you can make money selling the things that you can find. So let's jump right into it. So I am going to start with my golden formula for resellers. I have courses available and it goes really in depth into how to use this to run your business to make the money that you want to make. But I'm going to show you quickly a little bit about it. And it's your sell-through rate times your active listings times your average sale price. That is how much money you're going to make. I will link a video down below that I talk a little bit more in depth about it. But like I said, my course is really, this is the basis of everything that I use for my business and how I make the money that I want to make. So just quick reminders, your sell-through rate is how much you are selling based off of how much you have purchased. So if you have purchased 100 items and you've sold 100 of those items, your sell-through rate is 100%. Your active listings is how many items you have for sale. Your average sale price is on average how much are your items selling for. These variables combined is how much money that you're going to make. So why does this matter for how I'm going to sell common mall brands? And stay with me because this is why I love math. It's so amazing because you can use this formula to figure out exactly what you need to do to make the money that you want to make. So I'm going to pop on over to eBay really quick. If you have a store, you have access to your Terapeak product research. This tool is beyond amazing because it really helps you look at what is selling on eBay, what it's selling for. It gives you your sell-through rate and gives you your average sale price. Brands that you see all the time, you can come in here and see if they're worth it. And actually, I take that back. I want to pop on over to my Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard. So this is my data. This is what's selling for me. This is things that I have access to. The knowledge that I have is going to be different for everybody. I track and manage all my own data, and then I have access to this information in analytics. It is for sale, sarahstylesllc.com. It's a one-time fee. In Google Sheets, you have it forever. But I'm going to look quickly at one of my top performing mall brands, and that's going to be Lucky Brand. So I'm looking up here, I'm looking at a year. This chart, if you're new to the channel, is my sell-through rate. Again, I said what that was, and then my average sale price, how my top 20 revenue brands for the year are performing. Lucky Brand, 73% of the Lucky Brand that I have purchased this year has sold. My average sale price for that is $27. Now, my average sale price is a little bit higher if you were to be buying used. Most of this is going to be new with tag items, but when you have access to your data, you can plug in your numbers as well. So I'm going to show you this for my numbers. So I have my numbers here I can do it for. If you don't have this or you're thinking about selling different brands, I'm going to show you how to find this information on eBay as well. And then we will plug it into that golden formula for resellers and you figure out what exactly you need to do to make the money that you want to make. So if you come up here to research, you do have to have a store. Lots of really cool information in here. I'm just going to do the Terapeak product research and type in Lucky Brand. If you were thinking about Lucky Jeans or you see a lot of Victoria's Secret bras and you're like, do I want to do that? You can type all of that stuff into here and it'll really help you figure out what it is. And then you can scroll down here. I like to look at sold because this is what things are actually selling for, not necessarily what they're listed at. And you have Lucky Brand has an average sale price of $23.42. And if I scroll over here, it has a sell-through rate of 13%. This is on a monthly basis. 13% for women's clothing is actually a pretty good sell-through rate. That's the thing with mall brands. Typically, depending on the mall brand, but if it's something like Lucky that people like, they want to buy it, the sell-through rate is going to be higher. So you may not have this huge average sale price like a big Bolo brand is, you know, you're not selling things for $100, but you're selling a lot of them. And this is where the golden formula comes into play. What exactly do you need to do to make $10,000 or whatever the number is? $10,000 is just a fun number, right? What do you exactly need to do to make that amount of money? So I have over here in Google Sheets, I've set up the little formula, my sell-through rate. So I'm just going to base this off of what eBay told me is 13%. My average sale price is $23. To make $10,016, I need to have, if I was only selling Lucky brand, I would need to have 3,350 items available to sell of Lucky brand to make $10,000 a month. So you can go through and figure out all of this. If you don't like math, you don't like spreadsheets, you don't want to have to figure all of this out, the dashboard, this and my other, the one just for Poshmark, have a simulator in it. And this is exactly what the simulator does. It takes the golden formula for resellers and it tells you exactly what you need to do. What's even better about this simulator is it's looking at your data. It's looking at your information. What are your sell-through rates? What are your average sale prices? How are you actually doing? And then it breaks down, it gives you a little chart over here and says, hey, based off of your historical data, this is exactly what you need to do to get to your monthly goal. You can change this. Right now I have it set at $6,000. I can change it to $10,000. I can change it to $1 million. I can change it to $500. It doesn't matter where you're at in your reselling journey. You can customize this as many times as you want. Looks at your information, at your data, and says, hey, if you want to get to $6,000, Sarah, you need to sell 174 items at $34 an average sale price, and you need to have 2,000 active listings. And I can say, okay, cool, I'm at 1,000 active listings. Boom, I need to continue to pick up what I'm picking up. I'm going to keep my average sale price around the same and increase my active listings. Or you can say, hey, you know, I'm not finding as good of stuff. I'm going to lower my average sale price a little bit. And that means I have to sell more items, but it also means that I have to have, I need to have more items available. I work out of my house. That may not be something that's worth it for me, but this is going to look at my average sale price, my sell-through rates, and help me decide how I can get to the numbers that I want to get to. I get so excited about math, and this is why. This is what my channel is dedicated to. This is what the courses that I provide are. This is what the dashboard is. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to know all the Bolo brands. You don't have to have all these master tricks. If you understand your math and you understand your data, your potential is endless. It's infinite. Like, you can make the amount of money that you want to make. If you know how to go to thrift stores, or you're buying pallets, or wherever the sourcing is coming from, you can figure out what is going to work. And if you only have access to mall brands that are selling for $23, you know, if you only have access to Lucky, you go in and you say, what is this selling for? What do I need to do to get to where I want to go? So if you do like content like this, please subscribe and hit those notifications so you get notified when I have new content coming out. Please go ahead and give me a like on your way out. If you guys have questions, leave those questions down below, or just comment on how you like this video, other things that you would like to see as well. And a free way that you can support my small business and keep this content coming is by simply liking, commenting, sharing, and saving this video, because it helps in the YouTube algorithm to give me more exposure and helps me to make more content as well. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and make all those sales.